Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the link below. We're gonna do an unboxing. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Okay, so Christmas came and went this year, and it was sort of a DIY Christmas gift giving season in our house. And my husband bought me a present. We're going to unbox it today. He bought me the Ryobi Detail Sander. Oh. You guys, I wanted one of these so bad, and I wanted a palm sander. So like the little mouse palm sander. Because if you've ever seen any of my other videos where I'm working on projects, like getting into the corners and getting into the detail work on spindly projects or bookshelves and things like that, a struggle. The struggle is real. And I know I knew I needed to invest in something like this. I was kind of hoping I'd get something for Christmas, like an Amazon gift card. I got an Amazon gift card too. There's more stuff coming. That was from my brother-in-law, so I'm really excited about that. Hasn't come yet, but I've got more stuff coming. But today we're going to unbox the Ryobi Detail Sander from my husband. So let's get to opening. Okay, I set the camera down on another one of my Christmas presents, which is this wonderful little Lazy Susan that my nephew made me. So you can see everything that's going on. As you can see, I've already employed the Lazy Susan, and it's got paint all over it. But you guys can survive that, right? Let's see. I need a sharp... These things. I need scissors. These are my fabric scissors. I probably shouldn't be using it for this. My husband tells me that this came in the mail like this, with a label on it. And he was so upset because he was glad that was the day I didn't get the mail. But that's why all of the labels have been blacked out. So wherever he ordered this from, they just stuck a label on this box and sent it directly to him. So if you're wondering why is I'm guessing the post office blacked all those out so that their machines didn't go all haywire on it. Okay. What we got? Oh, I'm so excited. I have wanted one for so long. It's not even funny. Okay. This is all this box. All right. Oh, sanding disc. Good. He bought me these sanding discs. And I wasn't sure that they were going to work. And look, they're not. They're way too big. So that's not going to work for what I've got. So I'm glad they included some. But I had seen the detail sander before, and I kind of figured these weren't going to work. Anyway. Out of reach of children. Ooh. So this has the disc. Now, I've never had a sander that had the sandpaper that's supposed to automatically attach. I don't know if you guys have. So I've always been curious how this works. I mean, do you have to peel something off, or does it just stick on? Must have to peel it off. Yep. Okay, there you go. You have to peel it off. And then it just sticks in place. Okie dokie. Ryobi. It's got a good grip to it. Definitely want to try this out on something here. And then, of course, the operator manual. Is there anything I need to be aware of before we tear into this thing? All right, we're just going to set that aside, and we'll look at that at another time when something bad happens and I need to figure out why. Let's put this bad boy in and let's take it for a test drive. Okay, I've got her plugged in, and I found this box that needs to be completed. It's going to be completed as part of my 100 project challenge, but let's see how loud it is because my kid is doing school in the other room. Not bad. So is it 2 settings or 1? Well, you can kind of hold it on or turn it on. Hang on, I better check and make sure it's not too loud in the other room. She says thumbs up, so we're gonna give it a try. Okay, this feels weird. It feels really weird. I'm gonna have to read the directions for 1 second, because what's happening is it's not an even sanding pressure across the full surface. I'm feeling like this is hitting it like down to the wood. So if you look, this is where the bottom part was. And it is clearly down to the wood. And then up here, I just hit it with the tip. And it's not hardly touching it at all. I think on this for a second. Hang on. Okay, so now I'm perplexed because the directions say that the weight of the sander should be enough pressure. You shouldn't have to put any pressure on it. It doesn't say anything about there being an uneven weight distribution when you're using it. So let's give it another try. Well, definitely an uneven weight distribution as far as sanding goes. So if you rock it, the sander is only sanding towards the back. The tip itself leaves these tracks. When I tried just the tip, so like if you were to get into a detailed area and you needed to use the tip of the sander, this is what's happening. It's just scratching. It's like etching. Let's see if I can get that to focus on that and not the background here. Yeah. Ugh. There we go. Kinda. See the scratching? It's like etched. I don't know how that's gonna work. I was really excited to get this product to do between spindles and things when you're doing a table or a chair that has a lot of spindles, to sand in between them, and it doesn't appear to be that's going to be a viable option. I'm concerned. I'm concerned that it's going to just etch. Not really sanding it. It's the back of the sander that is actually doing the work. So here's the sander. This is the piece that you'd want to put through into a corner or a detail, and yet it seems to be only sanding from this part down, which makes sense because it says the weight of the sander is doing the work. Well, the weight of the sander is positioned to this part down. So this piece is it's scratching when you try and get it in there. I'm worried that to get in any detail area between spindles or even a corner of a bookshelf, this isn't going to do the job that I need it to do. Let me go look and see if there's any advice out there from Ryobi. Well, their website is zero help. I don't know who designed their website, but it really needs a little help. Anyway, that's my unboxing of the Ryobi Detail Sander, and this is the D1200. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.